Hi y'all, this is So Blessed. Welcome to the Blessed Place. How y'all doing? Welcome to another haul. This is going to be a Dollar General and Goodwill haul. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Cause y'all know I gotta start from scratch and purchase almost everything, all the little stuff. So I love TikTok, and I have been into cleaning talk lately. And I like to watch people clean. And one thing I realized that when people clean, they have all their little tools and tricks of the trades. And I'm like, I'm trying to clean without the tools. So I'm starting to build my little collection of cleaning tools. So I'm gonna start out by showing you just a few things that we're gonna go with Dollar General first. So I got a brush, clean the shower. And a lot of these I bought in threes because there are 3 bathrooms. So I bought, 3 of those. You don't have to see all 3 of those. I bought this to clean bottles in the kitchen. I bought this to clean. I'm hearing noises, you guys. I'm getting used to the new noises of the new house. I bought this to do something. I don't know, to clean something, but I'll find something I need to clean it with. Need to use this for. But like I said, I'm learning that I need to get all the tools that I need to clean this thoroughly as I want to clean and keep the house as clean as I want to clean it. And then I got my little Swiffer duster. So that's my tools there. Like I said, that's just the starter kit. But as I purchase more, I'll share. This is a garbage can, I think, from my office. I'm gonna put this garbage can here in my office. So now let's get to the cleaning products. Nothing new, just the things that I like. That I'm going to show you one product that's new, but all of these products is my staples I use. So here's some Lysol Cleaning. I'll probably use this probably in the kitchen. No, maybe in the bathroom. I don't know. I probably use this in the kitchen. Spick and Span. And as I share these things with you all, I want you to tell me what kind of cleaning products do you use, and what do you like, and what do you use it for, and what is it that you like? You gotta use this if you want to keep this clean. And then I got some Kaboom. Now this is one of my favorite. Just spray down the shower and just let it do its thing and just rinse it down. Especially if you spray often enough, you don't have to do a lot of scrubbing. So I got 3 of these, one for each bathroom. I got some. I've never used Microban, but I've heard of it, especially, with COVID. Heard a lot about Microban 24, so I'm going to try that. That is something new I'm going to try. Tell me, have you ever used Microban? Do you like it? But it's basically a sanitizing spray. Supposedly kills 99.9% of germs. And this is something that I heard, I think, on TikTok, and I happened to see it at the Dollar General. Yeah, I think it's the Dollar General. And Barkeeper's Friend. Yeah, Barkeeper's Friend. So tell me, have you ever used this, and do you like it? It's supposed to be for your stovetop. So I think in my last video, I think I might have showed you all my stovetop, but it's just a flat, stovetop. And I've heard that this is good to keep it clean. So that is what I got for my cleaning, except I got me a Swiffer. Have you ever used Swiffer? I've never used Swiffer, but got my Swiffer and all the little pads that go with that. So I'm gonna use that, even though I just bought this vacuum cleaner. That's a whole nother video I'll show you all. But I got this runner right here, just a little Christmas, trying to make it a little Christmassy in here. And what else did I get from Dollar? I got this. I need, a little Tupperware. It's not really Tupperware, but y'all know what I mean. Tupperware, say, that is not Tupperware. Don't be calling it Tupperware. I call it all Tupperware, but it comes from Dollar General. Just building my little collection of things to go in the kitchen. And this, if I can get here, this little thing here to store stuff, for lettuce, or salad, etc., whatever it is I want to store in there. And y'all, I'm gonna be in and out all over the place, and I got this just to store stuff, because y'all know all that good cooking I'm gonna be doing. I need something to store my leftovers for all that good cooking I'm gonna be doing. So I think that might be it for Dollar General. Yeah. So now I'm gonna move on to Goodwill. So my mom loves Goodwill, and I think I've been in Goodwill maybe twice before, probably with her. And so I said, Mom, I need to go to Goodwill and look for some stuff for the house. So she was excited for me to go to Goodwill with her, and I was excited for her to take me to Goodwill. So while I was in there, I saw this cute little dress, and it's just something to frolic around in. Just a little cute something to wear when I'm out and about or in the house. And then I got this. This looks just like my husband. Looks like him. And so I got that for him. And I got him a couple of dress shirts for church. Love that color. It looks good. I know it's a good brand. Van Heusen. And I love purples and lavenders. And what brand is this one? This one is, oh shoot, I can't tell. Boss 2-ply something. Pronto Umo? I don't know, something like that. But anyway, it's purple, it's long sleeve, in very good condition. So I'm gonna wash that up. That's for him. Then I got me a book, my favorite author, James Patterson. I mostly listen to Audible more recently over the last year or two, but I do have a bookcase, and I'm excited about setting my bookcase up and putting my books in it. So I like to buy hard books for my bookcase, but I probably ain't gonna read it, or probably, listen to it on Audible. But I love hardbound books to put in my bookcase. And then I got this cute little dish here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it looks like my bathroom. Like those are kind of the colors of my bathroom. So I don't know, I'm gonna put something in there. I'm gonna put it probably on my counter and put little knickknacks or something in there. But I love this, isn't it pretty? That is so pretty. Got that, I think maybe $3.99 or $4.99. Oh yeah, $3.99 from Goodwill. And I got this, I need a few of these on the 3 different bathrooms. To hook our towels and things I like to hang over the door. So I got that, and that's Goodwill. And then also from Goodwill, I got napkin holder, need that in each bathroom. And I love this beautiful dish. This is so gorgeous. It sits like this. I'm gonna sit this on a table that I have at the front. I don't know what you call that, but in the foyer, I have a nice table, and I'm gonna put this, and I think it'll look good on top of that table. And it's basically just to throw our keys in when we walk into the front door. This is like a specific place to, to kind of throw your keys. So I'm gonna put that on the table there. Thought that was cute. I got 3 of these. No need showing you all 3, but I got 3 of these. So when I cook and, make some soup, it's getting cold, cool here in Florida. I might want to make a little soup or buy a little Campbell's soup and put some of that in there. Then I have this, it has a top on it. I bought this little bin here for whatever I might need to store something or put food or whatever, but store something in there. So I got that. Also got this little doohickey, which I don't quite know, but I do know. It's like, I'm thinking, when we entertain, I need something to put, all my little appetizers and dips and things like that. So I thought that was cute. And even though it's a little scratched, but I don't mind. Things don't have to be perfect or, pristine. I don't mind at all. And then I got this, and I'm not quite sure. I guess I would strain stuff with this because it's got the holes. I don't know what to do with this, but I liked it. So I figured I'll find something to do with it. I don't think I could strain like pasta or spaghetti because it just seemed like it would just come right through. Maybe meats or something. I don't know. Y'all know I don't know what I'm doing, but I thought I liked it, and I figured I'll find some use for it. And the last thing I got is my favorite thing that I got from Goodwill. I'm trying to see was that everything? Yeah, my favorite thing that I got from Goodwill. It's gonna go in my office. You all might not know this about me, but I love globes. I've always had globes since I was, my 20s. Wherever I live, I would have globes. And this one being blue, the color of my office, is in pristine condition, you know, it's turns, spins, everything looks good on it. And I love globes. It's just beautiful. And that's what the bottom looks like. And I think and especially $5.99, these things are costly. So I am going to put this in my office, hopefully on top of my bookshelf. Hopefully it will fit. If my bookshelf is not too high, I hope it'll fit. But yeah, so this is, I think that's everything from my Dollar General and Goodwill. There will be plenty more hauls because like I say, I got to kind of start over from scratch and buy all kinds of things. I think tomorrow, Charles and I are going grocery shopping, but because we have nothing in the house, not even water. We had water and we drank that also. Anyways, the cupboard is bare. So we're gonna be going, so my next video probably will be a grocery haul. Nope, not all my videos will be hauls, but a few of them, you know, the next month or two will be, because like I said, I need everything. All right, you guys, I love y'all. Excuse me. That's my cue that Deidre, you talking too much. All right, love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thank you for watching. And please share with me in the comment if you have any cleaning products or cleaning tools that you use. Please drop them below. Vouch for, you know, the product or the cleaning tool, because I'm gonna need it to keep this house clean. All right, you guys, love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Oh, wait. The globe was my second favorite thing. I forgot to show y'all my favorite thing. And I don't know why I was so drawn to this picture, and I kept looking at it, walking away, looking at it, looking at the flaws on it. And I was like, heck, I'm drawn to this for some reason, and I'm okay with the flaws. And it's so simple, but it's so simple yet cute. Just saying dream. And this is something I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. I don't know if it comes through, but there's a turquoise to it, and my bathroom is turquoise. So I'm gonna add that. So this is really my favorite find. So I just had to come back and add that. Okay, you guys, y'all be blessed.